Alright, we got all the modifications done to the 540. We got the Turner software. We got Turner throttle body upgrade. When you do the throttle body Turner upgrade, you have to make the rest of your intake bigger because the elbow pipe is actually probably 3 or 4 mils smaller than the new throttle body is. So we got the full exhaust that I built for it, and I just put a sprint booster onto it, all fresh fluids. So I'll do a cold start here with the new tune, and we'll take you out for a spin, show you how she works. This thing warm up a little here first, but got my sprint booster set on like 5 on 30%, which is lots with the big throttle body. Some of you are wondering about the exhaust being drowny. It's pretty quiet with the windows up and the sunroof closed. Watch the higher red line. Turner claims with this tune that this car is capable of 178 or 180 miles an hour, I believe. I mean, it's pretty juicy for a small V8, but when you start opening this thing up and let that rev in the higher gears, it's not long twisting that speedometer around. work like this: intake, exhaust, throttle body, Turner software, and that little bad boy right there. If you look back at my older videos, my black 540 literally just had an exhaust and intake, and it laid 335 to the back wheels and 360 torque. This thing here would kick the guts out of that all day long. Hands down. Like, this thing works very well for a small V8. And the fuel mileage, well, I don't know if you can see the pixels, but 450 kilometers and I still get over a quarter of a tank. So, no complaints at all. These are a great, great car. Solid transmission mounts, solid motor mounts, so nothing twists. You put all your power down. These work very nice.